ലേഡീസ് വിങ്ങിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി നടത്തിവരുന്ന പരിപാടികളിൽ ഒന്നാമത്തെ ഇനമായ കിഡ്സ് ഡേയുടെ രണ്ടാമത്തെ ദിവസത്തിന്റെ അവസാന ഭാഗമാണ് ഇന്ന്. ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കുന്നത് ആലിസൺ ടീച്ചറും പിന്നെ സഞ്ജു റോബിനും ആണ്. അത് മോട്ടിവേഷൻ ക്ലാസ് ആണ്. പിന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി, ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട ജനറൽ സെക്രട്ടറി, പ്രസിഡന്റ് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം ഏകുന്നു. ആരെങ്കിലും എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ടോ എന്ന് അറിയത്തില്ല. നമുക്ക് എന്തായാലും പരിപാടി തുടങ്ങാം. ഞാൻ പരിപാടി തുടങ്ങാനായിട്ട് കോർഡിനേറ്റർ രാജിയെ വിളിക്കുകയാണ്. രാജി ചന്ദ്രൻ. രാജി പ്ലീസ്.
താങ്ക് യു ശ്രീജി. ആദ്യമായിട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. Sanju, Advocate Sanju, line number, you can start the class, Sanju.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 1 second. Hi, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. So nice to see you all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Good evening. I heard your Alison teacher was asking you to narrate some stories, and you all were brilliant, yeah? How come you all are so smart? Great. Okay, so before we start, just tell me this. Are you all enjoying the session? You all are enjoying it. Brilliant. Brilliant. So can we take this opportunity? Can we all of us, can we give a big round of applause to the KPA Ladies Wing? Louder, louder. Claps kekunilla. Okay, great, great. So before I finish, before I forget actually, I would like to thank you all for this opportunity. Great indeed meeting you all. And a very vibrant team. I have to say this, especially the ladies wing, the mummies and your aunties. ഒത്തിരി നല്ല കാര്യമാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തത്. And I'm sure this is going to help them, and they're going to remember the summer camp forever in their life. Thank you so much, KPA. എല്ലാ ഭാരവാഹികളോടും thank you so much. Okay, so let's start. Okay, I'm not here to give you any talk. I'm not here to give you any speech on motivational class, but let's have a chat. Are you all okay with that? Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Okay.
Okay, great, great. So let's have a chat. I'm going to narrate to you a small story. I heard you all narrating few stories. They were brilliant. I hope you like this. I don't know if some of you have heard the story. But I like the story, and that's the reason I'm going to share it with you all, because I love you all. Okay? Okay, good to go. I'm going to talk to you all about a daddy and a daughter. Daddy and a daughter. What do you call your daddy? You call appa, appa, papa, wappa. നമ്മളെല്ലാം പല രീതിയിലാണ് വിളിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? Okay. So I'm going to talk to you about a daddy and a daughter. What happened one day? And this really happened, okay? This is not a story at all. This happened in real and happened in today's scenario. What is today's scenario, children? What is today's scenario? എന്താണ് ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു സിനാരിയോ, ഇപ്പോഴത്തെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ എന്താണ്? നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും ഫേസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ എന്താണ്? Can someone tell me? The coronavirus. Oh my God, isn't it frightening? The coronavirus is everywhere. Okay, so this happened in a very recent time. What happened? One day, this daughter, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay, this daughter goes to her daddy and she says, Daddy, Daddy, I'm really bored with my life. I don't know what to do, Daddy. I'm fed up with my life. You know, I used to have a lot of friends. I cannot meet them. And because you cannot meet them, I cannot play with them. I cannot go out to restaurants to have yummy food. Alle, restaurants ne pone ellarku ishtale. Adakku ottiri miss cheyyunnundu alle. Veetla mummy undakatha bhakshanam we go out and we have, right? Do you all like going to restaurants, Para?
Yes.
You like? Okay. You know what I like to go to? I like to go when I go out. I like Behran grills. They're very yum. I'm sorry if there are any vegetarians in this group. I like the grill, the chicken grill, the chicken tikkas. Some of you like that, alle? വായിന്ന് വെള്ളം വരുന്നു. പിന്നെ മസാല ദോസാസ്, ഗൗരി കൃഷ്ണയിലെ മസാല ദോസാസ്, പിന്നെ പാനിപൂരി, ബേൽപൂരി, അയ്യോ കൊറേ ലിസ്റ്റ് ഉണ്ട്. ആർക്കൊക്കെ വെള്ളം വന്നു? I'm sorry about it. Okay, so so this girl started complaining and she said, I'm not able to go out to restaurants because of this COVID. I'm not able to meet my friends. I can't go cycling. I can't go for movies. Some of us used to go for movies, right?
Yes.
But this COVID situation, nothing. We all are at home. We are not enjoying only. So this girl said, Daddy, I'm bored of my life. എനിക്ക് മതിയായി എന്റെ ലൈഫ്, ഒരു രസവും ഇല്ല, ഒരു എന്റർടൈൻമെന്റും ഇല്ല. You know what her daddy was by profession? Her daddy was a chef by profession. Who's a chef, children? Who's a chef? Can someone tell me?
Man
Who's
who
a chef?
makes food.
Who
Okay,
makes food
great.
in restaurants?
Okay, who makes food in restaurants? We all have a chef at home. Who's that chef?
Mother.
Mother.
Our mothers, they cook yummy food for us, alle? പക്ഷെ ഞാനിപ്പോ അവരെ കുറിച്ചല്ല പറയുന്നേ. I'm talking to you all about this daddy. This daddy by profession was a chef. He was a chef in a very big hotel. Okay, and what he did, ഈ chefs എന്തുകൊണ്ട് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? What do they handle? What do they work with? What do they work with? You said they do cooking, അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ കുക്കിംഗ് ചെയ്യുന്നവർ എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? Of course hands. Other than that, they take vegetables, they take fruits, പിന്നെ എന്തൊക്കെയാ cooks? പാത്രങ്ങള്, പിന്നെന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? ഗ്യാസ് സ്റ്റൗ, വെരി ഗുഡ്. പിന്നെ മസാല, ഗരം മസാല, ചില്ലി പൗഡർ, ടർമറിക് പൗഡർ, അങ്ങനെ കുറെ പൗഡർ ഉണ്ട്, അല്ലെ? അപ്പം the cooks work with all such things. അപ്പം ഈ daddy, this daddy was a chef, and the second point, he was very wise. What this daddy did, he called his daughter and he said, Molu, my dear darling, come with me. Angane Moluinte kai pidichittu ee daddy, he went into his favorite place, that is the kitchen. This daddy took his daughter where? Evide konduvoyada? Kitchen le konduvoyi. Kitchen le konduvoyittu what daddy did, now this girl is surprised. She's like, ഞാൻ എന്താ ഈ ഡാഡിയോട് ചോദിച്ചത്? ഈ പപ്പ എന്താ പറയുന്നത്? എന്നെ വിളിച്ച് കിച്ചണിൽ കൊണ്ടുപോവാ. പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ എന്താ ചോദിച്ചത്? I'm fed up of my life, daddy. I'm bored. I can't do anything because of this COVID situation around me. But daddy took her to the kitchen and this girl was surprised. What's happening? Then daddy went to the kitchen. He took his favorite 3 vessels. What is a vessel, children? What is a vessel?
Plates.
പാത്രങ്ങള്. ഓക്കെ, പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് അല്ല. പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് നമ്മൾ ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കുന്ന പ്ലേറ്റ്, അതാണ് പ്ലേറ്റ്. ഇത് വെസൽ, പാത്രങ്ങള്. ഓക്കെ, പാത്രങ്ങൾ മീൻസ് ഇങ്ങനെ സ്റ്റൗവിൽ വെക്കുന്ന പാത്രങ്ങൾ. സോ ഹി took 3 vessels. How many vessels, children? Can you hear me? 3 vessels. And what he did is, this girl is watching him. Okay, this girl is like stunned. What my daddy is doing? എന്താ എന്റെ പപ്പ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? നോക്കിക്കൊണ്ടിരുന്നു. അപ്പം ഈ ഡാഡി വെള്ളം എടുത്തു. He poured water into this 3 vessel and he put it in the stove. എവിടെ വെച്ചു? Stove വെച്ചു. Okay, if there is anybody around you who is talking, please request them not to talk for a while. Let us quickly finish this. Okay? Or if you think somebody is around you, please mute yourself so that the whole class doesn't get disturbed. Great? Okay. So can we go ahead?
Yes.
Can I get a green signal? Can we go ahead? Great. Okay, so he kept these 3 vessels. A vessel nath endu oichu? What did he pour into the vessel?
Water.
Water. 3 vessels. And this girl is again looking. What is happening, Baba? I don't understand only. This girl was stunned. And then what happened? He took 3 items from the kitchen. He took some potatoes, first item. Number 2, he took some eggs. Number 3, he took a coffee bean, some coffee beans in his hand. Okay, now what did he do with this eggs, potatoes, and coffee bean? This was interesting. He put this, the water started boiling, and he put in one vessel, he put the potatoes, in the other vessel, he put the eggs, and in the third vessel, the coffee beans have to be powdered. Then it becomes coffee powder, and he put the coffee powder into one vessel. It started boiling because it was in the flame. It started boiling. It boiled for 15 to 20 minutes. He waited, and this girl also waited quietly without asking anything because she already asked her doubt and she already explained her concern to her daddy. Now daddy is waiting. The girl is waiting for daddy to say something. Now what happened? It boiled for 15 to 20 minutes. He switched off the flame. Cooking കഴിയുമ്പോൾ മമ്മി switch off ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ? Flame switch off ചെയ്യാറില്ലേ? അതുപോലെ switch off ചെയ്തു. Switch off ചെയ്യാൻ ആരോടെങ്കിലും ഒക്കെ പറയാറുണ്ടോ? ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്ന ആരോടെങ്കിലും ഒക്കെ മമ്മി പറയാറുണ്ടോ? മോളെ സ്റ്റൗ ഒന്ന് ഓഫ് ചെയ്യും, മോനു സ്റ്റൗ പറയാറുണ്ട്. Great. അപ്പം that means she trusts you completely. Because I tell my daughter, if I'm busy doing something, I tell her, Sarah, please switch off the flame. Flame switch off ചെയ്യാൻ എല്ലാവരോടും പറയാൻ ഒക്കത്തില്ല. Because you have to be very careful with it. That means your mom trusts you to go around the stove. Okay, so that's a good sign. Okay, so let's go further. Daddy switched off the flame, and then he took out the potatoes and he kept it aside. He took out the eggs, he kept it aside. And then the third vessel has the coffee powder and the water, and that has become a coffee. He poured it into the coffee mug and he kept it there. And then the girl was about to ask him something. The father said, the daddy said, darling, what do you see? Daddy പറഞ്ഞു, Molu, what do you see here? And the girl said, I see a potato, I see an egg, and I see a coffee. And then daddy said, go closer. This girl went closer and she looked at it and she again said, it's a potato, it's an egg, and it's a coffee. But daddy again said, touch it. And the girl touched it. And she was surprised to see the hard potatoes had become soft. After boiling, it became soft. And then daddy said, now you touch the egg. She touched the egg and she was again surprised. The egg was like very fragile. നമ്മള് ഒരു egg എടുത്ത് പച്ച മുട്ട എടുത്ത് ആരുടെങ്കിലും തലക്കെറിഞ്ഞ് അപ്പ പൊട്ടി താഴെ വീഴില്ലേ? ആരോടെങ്കിലും ദേഷ്യം ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. പച്ച മുട്ട എടുത്തിട്ട് തലക്കടിക്കാൻ നോക്കും. ആരെങ്കിലും ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Have you all done this in anger? No. Okay, you all are very good children. Very, very good children. Okay. So, ചിലവര് ദേഷ്യം വരുമ്പോ ഈ മുട്ട എടുത്തിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ നല്ല എയർ കൊടുക്കും. പോടാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെ കൊടുക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. Okay. അപ്പം when this egg got boiled in the water, it became hard. And this girl said, Daddy, this was a liquid inside. Now it's become hard. And then daddy said, go to the third cup. Go to the third one. The third one was the coffee mug. And she took it in her hand and she felt the aroma in it. The good smell, she got it. Okay. The best ever flavor. Coffee kittumbam oru nalla smell nammade ningalkellam kittarundo? Do you get the good aroma when mummy makes coffee for you? Allengi coffee for daddy. It's not good for children. Don't have a lot of coffee, but you get that favorite, that wonderful aroma into your nose. Yeah. So, aroma ee girl ne kitti. Then what did daddy say? You know, daddy said, this is what I wanted to explain it to you. In our lives, there'll be lot of issues around us, and we might be. What are the issues? Now, I'm going to compare what I said into our life. The life which this girl said is bothering her and she's fed up of her life. നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും നമ്മുടെ പേരൻസിനോട് ഈ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ ചെന്നിട്ട് കംപ്ലൈൻസ് പറയാറുണ്ട്. എനിക്ക് ബോർ അടിക്കുന്നു മമ്മി, എനിക്ക് ബോർ അടിക്കുന്നു അമ്മ, എനിക്ക് എവിടെയും പോകാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. പറയാറുണ്ടോ? പറയാറുണ്ട്. Because ഈ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ അങ്ങനെയാണ്. So, what we have to do, because we are in a boiling water. Boiling water is the tensions going around us. നമ്മൾ first of all bored ആണ്. അതല്ലാതെ our parents are also in tension. You might have seen your dad, mom, sometimes they are in lot of tension. They might not talk to you for a while. നിങ്ങൾ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ ചെല്ലുമ്പോൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ ദേഷ്യപ്പെടും അല്ലേ? അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ സംഭവിക്കാറില്ലേ? പക്ഷെ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ സംഭവിക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരു കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കണം, the situation is very tough for the whole world. So they are undergoing some pressure in the means from their job wise, financial എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും അറിയാം? ഫൈനാൻഷ്യൽ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എന്താണ്? മണി പ്രോബ്ലംസ്. ബിക്കോസ് ജോബ് നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റേബിൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് മണി കാണത്തില്ല. മണി സ്റ്റേബിൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഭക്ഷണം കഴിക്കാൻ ഒക്കില്ല, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫീസ് കൊടുക്കാൻ ഒക്കത്തില്ല. അപ്പൊ ഒത്തിരി ടെൻഷൻസ് പേരൻസിനെ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യണം. ആസ് ചിൽഡ്രൻ യു ഡോണ്ട് ഹാവ് ടു നോ ദിസ് സച്ച് തിങ്സ്. സോ what we have to understand is when you are in a boiling water, you cannot become harder എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താണ്? ഇപ്പൊ ഈ എഗ് ഹാർഡ് ആയ പോലെ, ഹാർഡ് ആയാൽ we are taking the situation as very rough and we are handling it not at all in a matured way. അങ്ങനെ matured way അല്ലാത്ത രീതി ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പാടില്ല. എന്നാൽ സോഫ്റ്റും ആവാൻ പാടില്ല. പൊട്ടറ്റോനെ വെള്ളത്തിൽ ഇട്ടപ്പോ അത് സോഫ്റ്റ് ആയി ബോയിൽ ആയപ്പോ. പക്ഷെ സോഫ്റ്റ് ആയാൽ എന്താണ്? ഇപ്പൊ ഈ ഗേൾ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ ആവും. ഓ ഐ എം ഫെഡ് അപ്പ്, ഐ എം ബോർഡ് ഓഫ് മൈ ലൈഫ്, എനിക്കിനി ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാനില്ല, ഐ എം ബോർഡ് ഓഫ് മൈ ലൈഫ്. സോ യു ആർ ബീയിങ് സോഫ്റ്റ്. യു ആർ നോട്ട് ട്രൈങ് ടു ഹാൻഡിൽ ദ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ. Whatever situation comes into your life, you have to handle it. You can't be soft or neither hard. But the best example is the example of a coffee powder. That is the sign of positivity. That is the sign of positivity. What is positivity, children? Positivity is when you change the situation. ഈ പൊട്ടറ്റോനെ വെള്ളത്തിലിട്ടു, വെള്ളത്തിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും പറ്റിയോ? പറ്റിയില്ല. പൊട്ടറ്റോ തന്നെ ചേഞ്ച് ആയി. പൊട്ടറ്റോ ചേഞ്ച് ഇറ്റ്സ് നേച്ചർ ബൈ ഇറ്റ് സെൽഫ്. എഗ്ഗിന് വെള്ളത്തിലിട്ടു, വെള്ളത്തിന് എന്തെങ്കിലും പറ്റിയോ? ഒന്നും പറ്റിയില്ല. എഗ്ഗ് ചേഞ്ച് ആയി, എഗ്ഗ് ഹാർഡായി, ബോയിലായി, പുഴുങ്ങിയ മുട്ടയായി. പക്ഷെ കോഫി പൗഡറിനെ ഇട്ടപ്പോ എന്ത് സംഭവിച്ചു? കോഫി പൗഡർ ആ വെള്ളത്തിനെ തന്നെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തു. ഇറ്റ് ചേഞ്ച് ദ വാട്ടർ. We should be living as this coffee powder in our life. We should be setting an example like this coffee beans, which changes the situation in such a way that it becomes favorable for us. The smell, the aroma of the coffee should be felt in our life. And I know it is not at all easy for any of us, but we have to work hard for it. You have to set a goal in your life and follow your goal. Situations വരുമ്പം അതിന്റെ കൂടെ ചേർന്നിട്ട് ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക. ഇപ്പൊ കോവിഡ് ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാല് ഓക്കെ, കോവിഡ് ആണ്, കുഴപ്പമില്ല. We are going to adjust with COVID and we know one day this COVID situation is going to get better and we all are going to meet up and we'll have a picnic, we'll have a party, we'll have dance, we'll have singing, we'll have a lot of stuff, games. We'll have it, right? Right? Veno, we should have a picnic together, right? ഈ കോവിഡ് എല്ലാം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട്. Yes, definitely. So let's hope for that day. And ഈ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷനെ ഹാർഡ് ആവല്ല, സോഫ്റ്റ് ആവരുത്. Whereas mix up with the situation in a good way, which is going to help yourself. നിങ്ങളെ തന്നെ അത് ഹെൽപ്പ് ചെയ്യും. അപ്പൊ ആ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ബോർഡ് ആണെന്നോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒത്തിരി ഹാർഡ് ആയിട്ട് ആ സിറ്റുവേഷനെ ഫേസ് ചെയ്യാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തോന്നത്തില്ല. You will like the situation. You understand what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. Now, before I stop, just one thing. Sorry, I've taken a lot of time. Just one thing. This COVID situation had made us to be at home for 4-5 months and maybe more also. Maybe few more months. We don't know. It might get better soon also. So what I want you all to do is, ഈ 4-5 months ശരിയാ, നമുക്ക് ഒത്തിരി ബോർ അടിച്ചു, നമുക്ക് ഒത്തിരി വിഷമങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടായി. പക്ഷെ നമ്മുടെയൊക്കെ ലൈഫില് കുറച്ച് നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ നടന്നു. I want you all to make a gratitude list, which is a sign of positivity. I want you all to make a gratitude list. അതായത് ഈ 4-5 months നിങ്ങളുടെ ലൈഫിൽ നടന്ന നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ I want you to pen down. കുറെ നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ നടന്നില്ലേ? You could be with your mother for a lot of time. You could sleep for a very good time. രാവിലെ വേഗം എണീക്കണ്ട, ബസ് വരുന്നു, എണീക്ക് മോളെ, ഇത് തന്നെ മമ്മി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ കുറെ നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ നടന്നില്ലേ? പിന്നെ കുറെ കഴിക്കാൻ കിട്ടി, പിന്നെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് തിന്നാൻ കിട്ടി. സ്കൂളിൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ലെക്ചറിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക്, പീരീഡിന്റെ ഇടയ്ക്ക് പറ്റുമോ? പറ്റില്ല അല്ലേ? അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ TV കുറെ കാണാൻ കിട്ടി. അങ്ങനെ കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മുടെ ലൈഫിൽ നടന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. So I want you all to make a gratitude list. Don't feel bad about the situation which is happening. Accept it. Be positive in life. And don't put it in the group, okay? Because your gratitude list is your gratitude list. Just make it and see it yourself. Read it. You'll feel happy about your life, that how much God has helped us. Okay? Thank you, children, for listening to me. I really enjoyed seeing you all. Thank you so much. Over to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Advocate Sanju.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sanju. Raji.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Advocate
Thank
Sanjana, for wonderful class. And
Thank you
over
so
to-
much.
You're welcome, dear.
Bye bye.
And,
Good night, Sanju.
Over
Raji.
to Alice. STG?
രാജി അലിസന്റെ വിളിക്കേ.
Yeah. Over to Alice. Take your class.
I'm here. So all of you ready? We'll start our class. Thanks.
Yes.
Happy to start?
Yes.
We will play the game and start, or we will go straight to the class?
Straight in the class.
Straight to the class? We will land in the class, yeah? Yeah, we're going to land. We're going to land now. Excuse me, Raji. Raji, are you there? I need the host. I need to share my PowerPoint. Raji, can you hear me?
Tell me, Alisa.
I need the host because I want to share my PowerPoint. I'm not able to share my PowerPoint.
You're not able to?
Share my PowerPoint.
Okay.
Children, wait, okay? We will start now. All of you had tea? Did you all eat something? Nothing? Arjun, nothing? Nothing, Devika? Oh my God. Now we finish the class. We will make something on our own and we will eat, okay? Yeah. And then after eating, you should put in the group. You must tell me how it was. You must give your parents also to eat. They will taste and then you should put in the group. Okay? You will do it, yes or no?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Raji. Wait a minute. Give me 2 minutes, okay? I will be.
Teacher, yesterday I made a cake. Teacher, you're mute.
Just wait, Alison. Alison, you are the host.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
You have, okay.
Thank you very much. Okay, so today our topic is we will observe the picture and find the hidden words. I will give you a picture in which there are some words which are hidden. There will be 6 words. You have to tell me which are the words. Then the next topic is I will ask you, bring me something. You have to bring and show me. Then the third topic is you have to correct me if I am wrong. Now I will say something correct or something wrong. If it is wrong, you have to put your thumbs down. If it is right, you should give me a thumbs up. And our last topic is cookery. So let's go to the first topic. Can you all see this picture, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. Teacher wants you, there are some words in this which are hidden. You have to find out. 6 words. Yes, Sibin? Unmute yourself.
Boy, fish.
Boy and fish. Okay. Anybody else?
Boy. Fish. Tree. Boy.
Okay.
Fish.
Okay.
Wave.
Hot,
The hidden words.
Boy.
There are some words.
hot, hot. Tree,
Nice. Boys. Fish. Tree.
Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will give each one of you. I'm going to mute all of you and I'll ask all of you one by one. Now, Fatima and Abu Bakar. I want Fatima and Abu Bakar, unmute yourself and give me the words. Did you see any words? Unmute, remove. Did you see any words? Okay, now we'll go to can you give me some words? Unmute yourself, Sibin. I cannot hear any one of you. Sibin, can you hear me?
yes, teacher.
Can you give me some words?
Wave, hot, tree, fish, boy.
Wow, very nice. Now let's see what Sarangi and Angel will give me. Sarangi and Angel, unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me. Unmute yourself. Did you get the words? Yeah.
Fish. Tree. Boys. Nice. Wave.
Okay. Now next is, let me. Arjun, give me, unmute yourself.
Nice. Tree. Hot. Wave. Boy. Fish.
Okay. Abhinav, give me answer.
Hot. 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 Wave. Tree. Fish. And
Okay. Now let's go see the answers. Are they what you gave me? Okay, let's check the answers. Wave is there. Fish is there. Nice. Hot. And what's the last word? Tree. And what is this word?
N.
N?
N. N.
Only N?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's go to the next picture. Now, earlier, those who did not tell me, you all observe the picture. Okay. Some of you did not give me answer, right? You all observe the picture and give me the answer. Now, this chance goes to Mohammad Farhan, then Devika, Advait, Jesslyn. Check. Here. The others also can observe, okay? All of you. Anybody got? Advait got? But Advait, wait, we will give the others chance, okay? Jesslyn, did you get any answer?
Why?
Okay. Sana, did you get any answer?
No.
No? Okay, check nicely.
I'm searching.
You're searching? Okay, no problem. Devika, did you get answer? Farhan, you got answer? Did you see the words? Angel, you saw the words? Angel and Sarangi?
Teacher, wine, garden,
Mm. Okay.
me,
Mm. Okay. Then,
dig,
Devika, you are quiet. Jesslyn, you are quiet. Sana, quiet. Tibin,
I found two words. Me,
garden, me, dig.
teacher, wine, garden, me, dig.
who was giving me these answers?
Jesslyn.
Jesslyn, okay, very nice, very nice.
Ma'am, I can tell Varsha.
Okay, Varsha, tell me, darling.
Garden, farm, news.
Okay, that's all. Do you all want me to go and search?
Ma'am,
Okay, tell me.
what? Farm, garden, white.
Only three? There are six
Yeah,
words.
only
There are six words.
garden.
Shall we go see the answer?
Yes.
Tired, yeah? Searching? Yeah, you were searching like this. They always searching. In the garden? Let's go see. Now you tell me the word. Did you all see the words? The first one is given here, garden, yeah? The next word, bloom. Then comes seed. Then what? Dig. Yeah, dig comes here.
Farm.
Wine. And here comes, sorry. This is another one. Sorry. Wrong. Can we go to the third picture?
We are in the third.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
please.
you didn't saw one thing in the house up.
You saw something? Yeah, that this one, right? This one? This one you saw, right? That is bloom. Now let's go to the third picture. Now those who get the answer, unmute yourself and give me the answer. Those who find the answer. If it is one, no problem, unmute and give me the answer.
Teacher, we should find the words.
Teacher, find the
Teacher,
words.
storm. Teacher, wet. Teacher, storm. Clouds. Teacher, wet. Wet.
I can hear Ajin, Advait, Jesslyn.
Wet and you.
Wet.
Wet. You. Wood.
Now teachers going to mute all of you, okay? I'm going to mute all of you. I'm going to mute all of you and I will ask. I want Sibin to give me answer. Sibin, unmute yourself and give me the answer.
Teacher, wet.
Wet, okay? Here you saw it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, Jesslyn, give me the answer.
Teacher, storm.
Storm, yeah, it's on the tree, okay? Now,
Pardon?
Devika, give me one answer. Okay, Devika's quiet. Sana, give me one answer.
Puddle. Storm.
Okay, storm we finished saying. We said storm, we said wet.
Teacher,
Damp.
Damp, very good.
Teacher, shower. Teacher.
how?
Very
How? Puddle. So show is.
Puddle, where is how? Now who told me how?
Behind the car.
Behind the car, it is how?
Show.
Teacher,
No,
how?
It shows.
Behind the car, it is S-H-O-W.
Show. Shower. Showers.
Yeah,
Showers.
showers. Finished?
Puddle. Puddle.
Puddle is there.
There is a bush.
Damp is there.
Shower.
Wet is there. Storm is there. Shower.
Storm. Damp.
One more word. You can see it on the bush.
Mouse. Mound.
Mouses.
Oh.
Mouse.
On the bush.
Mound.
Mouse.
You know.
It is clouds. See, it is C-L-O-U-D-S. Clouds.
Cloud.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go to bring me something. Are you all ready?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, when I ask you bring me something, don't run, jump and bring, okay? Bring slowly. Ready?
Yes.
First picture is bring me. Bring me.
Teacher, color pencils.
Crayons. No color pencil. Crayon.
Teacher, crayon. I don't have crayons.
I want crayon.
Crayon.
Oh, yeah, Devika I saw. See, I can see others running. Some are missing. Some are missing. Farhan, very good. Very good. Farhan, that is pencil or crayon?
That is color pencil.
Farhan, I want crayon. Advait, did you get crayon?
Teacher, I don't have.
Did you got crayon?
No.
No. I think Devika got one crayon. Who else?
Teacher, I don't use crayon.
Yeah, it's okay. No problem. Okay, Jesslyn got. Who else? Okay, Devalakshmi got. Very nice. Excellent. Abhinav got? Abhinav, that is crayons or color pencil? Okay. Sana, what about you? No crayon?
I have only color pencils.
Yeah. Very good. Angel and Sarangi. Excellent.
Teacher, I don't use crayons.
Yeah, I know you're a big boy. Now let's go to the second picture, okay? My second picture, now I told you don't run, jump slowly, okay? Slowly. Second picture.
Teacher mask.
Oh, very nice. Excellent. All ready with your mask? Wow. Very nice. Very nice. I'm happy to see everybody's got mask. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Good job. Good job. Okay, my next picture is only 100 fills, no other coins. 100 fills.
I got 100 fills. 100 fills. 100 fills.
Closing the cupboard.
100 fills.
Devalakshmi, Sana, Vibin, Devalakshmi good. Varsha good.
Thank you.
Okay, enjoying good class this is.
Good. I'm enjoying.
Shall we run more? We
Yes.
will run more. Advait, you got 100 fills?
Teacher got.
Okay, very good. Now let's go.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, very good. Very nice. It's all ready with you? Very nice. You all kept everything ready with you? Good, good. I'm happy.
Teacher.
Very nice. Good. Now my next picture.
Next picture, fruit. Next picture, fruit. Toys.
Teacher, I don't have toys. I don't use
Very
toys.
nice, very nice. Good, good, good.
Teacher, I don't use toys.
You don't use? That is Sibin? Sibin, you must be having some old toys. Check. Yeah. Yeah, your brother's day. Your brother's having. Very nice. Oh, so many toys. Very nice. Jesslyn, you're missing. Okay. Where is Sibin gone? Sibin, you're missing. Yeah, okay. Now go to the next picture. Ready?
Yes.
Straw. This is a straw.
Teacher, I don't have straw.
No, you
I
will
don't have straw too.
Don't have straw.
Straw.
Teacher, I don't have straw.
You don't have straw?
I don't have straw.
Teacher, I don't
Straw. Straw.
Arjun is having Devika.
Straw. Straw.
Okay. Varsha, you having? Who is searching for straw? Sibin. Sarangi and Angel, did you get the straw? Advait, you got?
I don't have straw.
Farhan, very nice. Excellent.
Teacher, I don't have straw too.
You don't have straw also?
No.
No problem. It's okay.
Teacher, I don't have straw.
Yeah, Sibin doesn't have straw, but I like that smile on his face. He was so long not smiling. Okay, ready?
Yes. Teacher, next is ball. Teacher, ball.
Very nice, very nice.
Ball.
Very nice. Thank you. Very nice. I'm happy to see this.
Teacher, no.
Sana, you have a nice small ball. That's enough, okay? Wow, very nice. Also,
Thank you.
welcome. Advait, where is your ball?
Teacher, I don't have a ball.
You don't have ball? Okay.
I have
Throw
ball.
your ball for Advait. Give it to the laptop. Okay. Shall we go to the next picture?
Yes.
Shall we stop? You will stop this game? No?
No. Okay.
No.
No. Okay, then we can. Now I want you all to bring me
Tissue paper.
Ma'am.
tissue box. Tissue box, not tissue paper.
Tissue box. Tissue box. Tissue box.
Thank you. Thank you. Now next is I want
Socks.
socks.
I have.
Oh, Vipin, you kept everything ready, yeah? Very nice.
Socks.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, Sana, that's a very big sock. Okay, thank you, David. Thank you all. Now our next topic is you have to correct me if I am wrong. I repeat, if I'm saying a sentence wrong, if it is wrong, you will show me thumbs down. And if it is right, you will show me thumbs up. So my first question is, there are 10 planets in the solar system. Okay.
8 planets.
8 planets.
8 planets. Teacher, 8 planets.
Let's check your answers. Why I'm not?
Not that good.
There are 8 planets. So my sentence was wrong. Thank you. Next sentence. I only want thumbs up or thumbs down, okay? Russia is the biggest country in the world.
Yes.
Jesslyn, I cannot see a thumb.
Yes.
Correct.
Correct. Good.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let's take your answer. Right. It's correct. My third question goes here.
There are 14 colors.
No.
No.
7 colors.
There are
7 colors. 7.
So my sentence is wrong. The correct answer is there. Now I want. See, I in the order Teacher wants one by one to tell me each color, okay? Farhan, tell me the first color. Unmute yourself and tell me.
Violet.
Very good. Now mute yourself. Devika, second color.
Indigo.
Okay. Abhinav, third color. Devalakshmi, third color.
Ma'am, can I say
Orange.
Orange.
Blue.
Okay.
Blue.
Who said orange?
blue color?
I want in the same way. Like it's Vibgyor, yeah? So I want like V, I, B, like that. Advait, tell me one color. Okay, now we changed our pattern. Any color, tell me in the rainbow.
Orange.
Orange. Somebody told me orange. Who else? Sarah, tell me one color.
Green. Blue. Red. Violet.
Yellow. Yellow. Bloody
Indigo. Indigo. Green. Orange.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Blue.
Go to our next question. Right or wrong? Only thumbs up or thumbs down, okay? A group of fish is called a school of fish. A group of fish. It's called a school of fish. Devalakshmi, Sibin, Advait, Jesslyn, Ajin. Very good, very good. Let's check the answer. Right or wrong? It is right. They are called a group of fish. A school of fish, sorry. A group of fish is called a school of fish. The elephant is known as the ship of the desert.
No.
Oh, then which is the which animal?
Camel.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Now let us go to our cookery.
Yes.
Okay. All ready with your things?
Yes.
Teacher had told you, see, I had asked you, you know what I had asked you? I had asked you,
White chocolate, milk and white chocolate, the secret.
yeah, teacher told you,
Milk.
can I speak? Okay, I'm going to mute all of you now. I will speak and then we will, all of you, we will talk together. Now I'm going to mute all of you. Okay, teacher had told you all to last week we had a class, right? So what I asked you to take the almond, dip it in the melted chocolate and freeze it. Did you all do it? You all did?
Yes, ma'am.
How many of you did? Can I see a thumbs up, those who did? Okay. Ajin, wow, very nice. Sana, good. Sibit, did you do? No? It's okay, no problem. You just see. But then Sibit, very nice, Devika. You are eating it also? Okay, give me a second. Now let's start. I will show you like this, okay? I'm taking the big spoon. Take the big spoon. The big spoon, I'm taking 1, 2, 3. I took 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut.
Ma'am, what you put now?
I put desiccated coconut. Just now, I put 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. Can you see?
Okay, ma'am.
All of you see this coconut. Okay? This one. Ready? Now, you have milk, condensed milk with you, right? Okay, all of you have? Yeah. Now I'm taking, I took 3 big spoons of coconut, okay? So I'm taking one. Okay, now I took 1 spoon. One more spoon. I took 2 tablespoons.
How many spoons?
2.
In the coconut?
Yeah, put 2 tablespoons in the coconut. I put it in the coconut, in this desiccated coconut. Now, you mix it. Devika, you're very happy. I can see that smile on your face. Arjun, you're not doing?
I do.
You're doing? I'm doing. Jesslyn, are you doing? Devalakshmi, you are not doing? No? Parangi and Angel, you are doing?
Yes.
Anna, are you doing? Farhan, you doing? Wow, very nice. Now, okay. Now I'll show you. Now it's like this, okay? Now, teacher wants you. Is your almond ready with you?
Yes.
See what I did? I took this almond. Okay, I took this almond. Can you see it? I took this almond. I dipped it in this chocolate. I dipped it in this chocolate and I put it in the freezer. When I put it in the freezer, I got it like this. Can you see me? I got it like this. It is all freezed. Can you see? Okay. Now you take this coconut. Okay, take this coconut like this. Make ball. Chodalla, ball. Okay, take coconut, make a ball, and now what you will do? You will put. See, I'm making a hole here. Can you see? I'm making a hole here, and I'm putting this almond into it. And again, we will cover it up. Make a ball. Same thing. Ready? Now this almond I will eat or I will keep in the fridge. This almond, we'll keep it in a plate. Okay? This, see, I made it a ball. Farhan, can I see? Angel and Sarangi, can I see? Wow, very nice. Very nice. Thank you. All are quiet. All are enjoying doing it, yeah? I can see how quiet you all are. Very nice, Devika. I cannot see the others. Let me check where are the others. Sibin, you're not doing. Sana, can I see you?
Teacher, I don't have the white chocolate.
Yeah, and it's okay, no problem. Only the you have coconut with you?
No.
You don't have coconut also? It's okay, no problem. Next tomorrow you buy and you do it for me, okay?
Okay.
Wow, very nice. Nice, Sana. Abhinav, very nice. Advait, can I see? Don't make a mess, okay? Don't make too much work for your mamas. Wow, very nice, Advait. Devika enjoying? Where is Angel and Varsha? Very good. Thank you. Where is Angel and Sarangi gone? They are missing. Angel and Sarangi missing. Ah, I can see y'all. Thank you. Farhan, you started eating also? Eat, okay? Eat. All of you eat. Not now. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now what?
Very nice, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Arjun also started eating. Actually, you know what we should do? We should make this ball and we should keep it in the fridge for maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Okay? Now also no problem, you can eat it. Sibin, I want to see smiling face. Yeah, that's better. All of you finished? Very nice, very nice. Now you know what you should do? You should keep this in the fridge, okay? And then you should take it out after 5 to 15.
Mother ate it.
Mother ate it, very nice. Did she like it? Ask her, did she like it?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, thank you. Keep it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Take it out. Thank you. Take it out and then you know what you should do? Eat it. Give it for your mama, give it for your mother, your father, your brother or sister. And
Sir, how many minutes?
only 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Just like that. Or you can eat it like this also, no problem. If you're in a hurry to eat, you know, you can eat it.
Hold on.
No problem.
Ma'am, my mother also ate it.
You're really very good. Let everybody eat. All of you eat and enjoy. Sarangi, thank you. Sana? Did you?
Yes. Ma'am, we should freeze it.
Cool it. No freezing. Cool it.
Cool it. Teacher,
Yes,
I
sir.
like the recipe.
I'm going to too much noise.
Teacher.
You want to talk, you have to. Very nice, Devika. Thank you. Unmute yourself one by one, okay?
What is the name of this menu?
This is called Summer Camp Balls. KPA Summer Camp Balls. Okay?
Kids Day special.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kids Day special. KPA Kids Day special.
Yeah. Finished? Thank you. Our class is over. Now eat. I want you all to eat this. Give it for your parents. And then you have to write in the group. Teacher, it was good. Teacher, it was too sweet. Teacher, I did not like it. Teacher, it was very nice. I enjoyed it. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you, Raji. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good night. Love you all.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Alison. Thank you, Alison,
Thank
for
you.
taking up a wonderful class.
Thank you, Alison.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Very nice class.
Thank you. Thank
All
you.
kids are enjoyed, and we also enjoyed.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good.
But we didn't get the special ball. Good.
Okay. Thank you so much. I will end the class. Okay.
Okay, sure. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Send me all the pictures. Bye-bye.